How's it going, guys? Welcome to another video. In this short video I'm going to show you how to unlock any Motorola phone out there. In this case I have a Motorola Moto G6 and I'm going to show you step by step how to do a factory unlock to use it with any GSM carrier in any country, like Telus, Orange, Vodafone, AT&T, T-Mobile, Cricket, or any GSM carrier out there. Now before we start, we have to keep in mind that unlocking a cell phone is not free, but I have unlocked more than 50 phones using this method and it's worth every penny. Alright, so with that said, let's start. So the first thing that you want to do is to get your phone's IMEI number. So simply dial *#06#. As you will see, your 15-digit IMEI number will show up. This number is very important. This is a unique number, and based on this number, we're gonna unlock this cell phone. Now we're gonna switch to the computer, and we're gonna go to the website unlockpanda.com. In this website, we're gonna request the unlock code to unlock this phone. So we're gonna start by selecting the original carrier that your phone is currently locked to. My phone is originally from Mexico, Telcel, so I'm just gonna select that one. Then select the brand, Motorola, and then select the model. This will work for any model. So I'm gonna select Motorola Moto G6. And then we have to insert the 15-digit IMEI number. This is probably the most important step. Make sure it is 100% correct. That's the number we got a few seconds ago. The last step is to write down your personal email because you're gonna get an unlock code in your email. So after you have filled in everything, you're gonna see a price and the delivery time to get your unlock code. Now the price and delivery time will always vary depending on your phone's brand, carrier, and model. So you have to be very patient because it takes time to generate this unlock code. So in this case it says 1 to 72 business hours, so keep in mind that in some cases you're gonna have to wait a couple of days to get your unlock code in your email. I'm gonna hit unlock now, and on the following page you're gonna see a summary of your order. So just double check everything here, make sure everything is 100% correct. So once you have filled in everything, you can go ahead and place your order. I'm gonna place my order and I'm gonna be back once everything has been completed. Alright, so after placing the order, you have to wait a couple of days to get your unlock code. Like I said, the waiting time varies depending on your phone's brand, carrier, and model. And the email that you're gonna receive should look almost like this, which says your order is completed and we have successfully generated your unlock code. It includes step-by-step instructions and of course the most important part, the actual unlock code. Now keep in mind that this unlock code will only work one time for one specific phone and it's calculated based on your unique IMEI number. So this exact unlock code will only work for one specific phone. Okay, so now the final step is to insert this unlock code into the phone. So now we have to insert an unsupported SIM card. For example, if your phone is locked to AT&T, use a SIM card that it's not from AT&T or any other GSM carrier. Then we're gonna power on the phone and you're gonna get a message saying that your phone is locked. So here is where we need to insert the unlock code. So that's the code we got in the email. And then I'm gonna hit unlock. Boom, SIM network unlock successful. Beautiful. That means that the phone was successfully unlocked and now I have a full bar with my new carrier and my phone is 100% factory unlocked forever. And that's it, that's how you unlock a Motorola phone. Let me know if you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section down below and I'll try to answer all of them. Thanks so much and I'll see you on the next one. Take care.